Great, thank you. Now we're going to move along to our keynote session. I'd like to introduce Debbie Klein Walker, who is an associate at Abt Associates and also president of the Global Alliance for Behavioral Health and Social Justice, formerly known as the American Ortho-Psychiatric Association. Those participating on the panel can come up too.
Okay, great, thank you. Well, we have asked the experts to be the lead at this workshop. And the experts are the parents who really know day to day what is needed and what it's like to be a parent of a child with an emotional behavioral issue. And they are the ones we want to hear from first to learn about what should be provided in training programs and what different professionals need to know. So what I'm going to do is just briefly introduce all of them in the order that they will speak. Then they're going to speak, and then we're going to have a discussion. And there are biographies that are much longer on each of them in your packet. So we're going to start with Rebecca Mueller, who resides in Falls City, Washington, with her husband, Eric Mueller, and their 2 children, Bryce, age 13, and Vivian, age 12. They were first introduced to the Incredible Years program in 2008 after enrolling in a study about parenting children with challenging behaviors, and they became real advocates and converts of that strategy. And Rebecca will tell you more about those experiences. The next person who's going to speak is Breck Garnell. She's a patient advocate and blogger on initforbennett.com. She's a mother of 3 young children, including Bennett, her 7-year-old with cystic fibrosis. She advocates in public policy for the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation and serves on the board of the Dallas chapter of the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation. The third parent who's going to speak is Robin Kimbrew, who's from Cincinnati, Ohio. She received her master's degree in labor and industrial relations from the University of Cincinnati and worked in the field of human resources for 10 years. She is a parent of a sophomore in high school and twin sons who are sophomores in college. She's always believed in the importance of education and has worked hard to advocate for her sons who both have sickle cell disease. Her younger son has had surgery at 3 days old, so she's had a lot of experiences with the healthcare system. The fourth person, 2 other parents are speaking, but they also hold roles in national parent organizations. Linda Gagnon will speak next. She serves as the executive director for the National Federation of Families for Children's Mental Health. Throughout her career, she has worked across the nation providing technical assistance and training to ensure that all individuals are afforded the opportunity to live in the community of their choice. She actually served for quite a while at a state-based organization representing family members. The last speaker is Millie Sweeney, who's the deputy director of the family-run Executive Director Leadership Association. Spanning the children's mental health and child-serving systems, she has over 20 years of direct experience in navigating systems with and on behalf of families and advocating at both the individual and policy level and building collaborations with professionals and systems. So I'm now going to turn it over to this great panel who's sitting up here kind of in order that's on your program, and you all can also come up here as make your comments. So next, I just need to be able to, how do you move this forward? How did you do that, Laurel? Oh, here it is. Rebecca, you're first.